Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be telling you about how to build a 3D CSS3 HTML login and registration form inside your HTML. Let me show you a very basic example here. So basically this is the 3D flip card here. You can see it's a material card here. So basically you can just flip this, so you can use it inside your own application. So if the user lands on the home page, they will see this two forms here. Either you can log in or you can sign up. So the user, without refreshing the page. So many a times the user need to go to one page for registration, and secondly you need to go to the next page for login form. So basically this form will be there. You need to fill out your entries, click on submit. You can also have forgot password, and if you need to sign up you can do like this. So basically it's a toggle between the login and the sign up form. So we have this flip animation going on. So for this we are using transition effect here for this animation. You can see that this animation is transition animation. So for this we are using the concept of CSS3 transitions, and we have given some delay here, time delay for this. So you can see it's a 3D animation which is going on. You can see it's a 3D design. You can toggle in between the login and the sign up form. So here you need to enter the username and the password and click on submit. And basically you can even change the design. You can pick out elements which you need to do. Just see the element, inspect element, and here you can even change the background color to any color of your choice. So you can design this accordingly. Just change its background color to whichever color that you want, like this. So you can see that any color you can choose here. It is totally dependent upon you. So it's a CSS3 flip box effect here, if you see here. And if you're watching it for the very first time, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel. So basically it's a flip box effect, and please hit the like button also and subscribe the channel as well. So we will try to build this from scratch inside our CSS3 and HTML. You can change the colors, button colors as well, totally dependent upon you, how you need to change this. So it's a flip box animation that is going on, and you can see that. Here you can enter your name. This is all the icons which we are using here, like this. And now to build this form, guys, I have written a complete blog post on the tutorial website codingshiksha.com, so you can copy paste all the source code. So just go to the description of this blog post, and here you will find out all the source code. So simply copy paste all the source code by going to the description of the blog post. So let's start building this from scratch. So here you just need to make a index.html file inside your text editor, and basically we will now write the basic HTML, which is CSS3 flip card login form, login and register form. So first of all, guys, we will just copy this HTML which is there for this application. I will not write the HTML, guys. It is very much basic HTML, so it's not necessary that you write HTML. So this is the HTML which is needed for this application. You will now see this is the HTML, and you can copy paste it from the description. Now we will style it, and for styling it, guys, first of all you need to include some dependencies here. So the first dependency, you will need a bootstrap. So basically it is built using bootstrap, so I forgot in the title. So basically we are using bootstrap, so let me update the title. So basically we are using bootstrap. So we are using Bootstrap here. So just update this, save this. So we are using Bootstrap 4. So the latest version of Bootstrap, if I find out latest version of Bootstrap. So I think it is Bootstrap 5. So let me update the title. So you need to be using the latest version here. So it is Bootstrap 5. So we are using Bootstrap 5, guys. So now if you see here inside this, if you now need to copy paste the CDN just after the title, just paste it, these two CDN tags. So and for these cool little icons that you see, guys, inside this application that you see here, these cool little icons that you see in the resultant application, these icons is we have taken these cool little icons from a library called as uh, Unicorn. So Unicorn is the website, guys, which is icons, basically unicorn icons. So now we will be styling this step by step. So let me do it side by side so that you can see that. So what we will do is that we will make a separate file for the style sheet, which is style.css. So now, guys, we will make the file which is style.css. So the very first thing, guys, we will do is that we will be writing, basically we will target, first of all we will import the custom font, Google font, which is this font, which is fonts.googleapis.com/css, and basically the family will be Poppins. So this is the font, guys, that we need to use, which is Poppins 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. So now you can see your font is changed, guys. You can see that. So now we will target the body. We will change the font family to uh, Poppins and comma sans serif. So your font is changed. Then we need to give the font weight property, which is 300. And then we need to change the font size to 15 pixel. And the line height we need to change to 1.7. And then we need to change the text color to this color, which is C4, C3, CA. And also we need to change the background color to this, which is 1F2029. And overflow X we need to show hidden. So now you can see that. So now we need to target the anchor tag. So here we will say that the cursor position needs to be changed to pointer. Cursor needs to be pointer, and basically we will have the transition here, transition effect, all 200 millisecond, linear. And basically now what we need to do, when we hover onto this, we need to change the underline text decoration to none. Then we will target the link class, which is color. We need to change to FFEBA7. So now you can see that the color is changed here, guys, which is of the link text. And also when we hover the link, we need to change the color to this one, which is FFEBA7. So two people are watching the stream, guys. So here in this tutorial we are building this. You can see that nice little flip card effect or login and sign up form inside CSS3 transition. Please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. So after this, guys, we will target the paragraph, font weight 500, font size 14 pixel, line height it will be 1.7, and then we need to style the H4 heading, which is font weight to be 600. Then we will target our H6 and the span tag. So here, guys, we will give the padding to 0 and 20 pixel. We will say text transform to uppercase, and font weight will be 700. So after this, guys, we will say that we will target this section class. Position we need to give it relative. We need to say that the width is 100%. Display to block. So after this, we will target the full height class. Minimum height we need to give to this 100 VH. Then basically we will target the checkbox class. So now you can see that someone has subscribed. So Eric Diaz has subscribed. So thanks very much, Eric, guys, for subscribing to this channel. Please hit the like button also. So basically now we will also style the labels which is appearing here. So inside the labels, guys, we need to first of all change the position to relative. We need to change the display to block. We need to align the text in the center position. We need to change the width to 60 pixel. Height to also 16 pixel. And then we need to change the border radius to 8 pixel. Padding, we need to remove it 0. Margin, we need to say 10 pixel. Auto. Cursor. Pointer. And then the background color, we need to change to this color, which is FF. So you can see that this is the icon that you see here. This is the same icon that you see here. So this is a color. After this, we need to give the same properties here in the before section. So we need to just paste all these properties. So basically it is having the transition effect here. If you see here, if I paste it, so now this is the icon that you see here, guys, right here. You can change the background color to any color. It is totally up to you. But we will be changing to that color which we have. So you can also change the width and the height. It is totally dependent upon you how you need to do it. But 36 is more than enough. Z index need to be 20 top, this all these properties, and then we are applying a transition effect. So this transition is not happening because we need to write some more CSS code. And right here inside the checkbox, we need to say checked plus label before. We need to transform this in, first of all, in the uh, X direction. We also need to rotate this by minus 72 degree. So if you see that, guys, now it is rotating it. You will now see, now it is working, completely working. So this toggling is now working. So after this, guys, what we need to say, we need to use the card class 3D wrap. So inside this, guys, we need to say the position to be relative, the width to be 440 pixel, max width needs to be 100%, the height to be 400 pixel, and the transform style needs to be preserve 3D. Perspective needs to be 800 pixel, and we need to give margin from the top position 60 pixel. So there is some space out there, you will see that. Then we will target this class, which is card 3D wrapper. We need to change the width and the height to be both 100%, and position we need to set absolute, top to 0, left to 0, transform style once again needs to be preserve 3D, and we need to put a transition effect here, all 600 millisecond, ease out. So now we will be having the front class, front page of the login form, and also we will target the back class. For both the ones, we need to give the width and the height to 100%. And here we need to give a background color. This time this will be 2A2B38. So now basically you will now see some kind of, this is, you can see here, this is the width and the height 100%. So we need to attach a background image to this. So basically this will be a SVG image. This will be background image. So now you can see that there is an image here which is there inside this card like structure. So now we need to style this image. So we need to set the position of the image. So background position to be no repeat. Background size we need to say 300%. And position is need to be absolute. And border radius we need to say 6 pixel, left to 0, top to also 0. And transform style, which is preserve 3D. and back face visibility. This needs to be hidden. So now basically this one, only the sign up form will be shown. You can see that. Here we will now target the card back class. So here we need to transform this. We need to rotate it in the y direction, 180 degree. And basically whenever you apply this checkbox effect, we need to once again rotate this. So this is a selector and again we are rotating it reverse 180 degree. So now this will rotate. You can see that. Now this is working here automatically. This is the code here. You can see that it is completely working here. And basically now we will simply say basically position, we can say absolute, width we can say 100%, padding we can say 0.35 pixel, like this. So guys, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well if you're watching it for the very first time for more live streams like this. So the like target for this live stream is 10 likes. So I am seeing that very few likes are there. So increase the number to 10 likes. And top we need to have 50%, left to also 0. So guys, please hit the like button which is there below the video. Please do this stuff. This is a request from me. Please hit the like button. And transform, we will translate this in the 3D. So it's a 3D login form. So we will say 3D 0 minus 50 degree 35 pixel perspective, and here we will say 100 pixel. So now you can see that. We will also say the Z index property is 20, and I think I haven't put semicolon here. And displays block. Let me take your questions, guys, if you have any sort of questions. Rohit Chaudhary saying hello. What's up? How much does this influence the performance? I don't think so. It hugely affects the performance level because nothing is going on. It just is Flipkart animation which is going on in the end product. So I don't think so. It affects the performance of the browser. So it's a nice little animation which is taking place, and I don't think so. It will affect a lot when it comes to the downside of this animation. Many websites have implemented this if you go to their home page. So it doesn't affect the performance as such. So now guys, we will target the form group class. Position is relative. Display is block. Margin is 0. Padding is also 0. Form style, we need to say that guys, we need to give some padding, 13 pixel, 20 pixel. We need to give padding from the left position, which is 55 pixel. We need to have the height to 48 pixel. We need to give the width, which is 100%. So basically now you can see that it is changing here. The width is 100%. Font weight is 500, and we can also attach border radius to be 4 pixels, so this will make it round. Font size we can change it to 14 pixel. Line height we can say 22 pixel. Letter spacing we can have 0.5 pixel, so it is having some spaces here. You can see that inside the letters. So then we need to remove the outline as well, guys, which is outline none. We need to change the text color to this grayish color C3 CA, and the background color will change to this color 1F2029. So this is the black color, you can see that. We also need to remove the border, and we need to give a transition effect to it, 200 millisecond, and the transition will be linear. And also we need to attach a box shadow effect to it of 0, 4 pixel, 8 pixel, 0, RGBA 21 21 21 0.2. So now guys, you can see it has some box shadow effect as well. And now we need to assign some pseudo classes also, guys, which is when we focus the field, when we the field is active, we need to remove the border. So you can see that. Now we also need to align the icons, which is input icon. So here position will be absolute. And then we can simply say top 0. Left is 18 pixel. Height is 48 pixel. Font size is 24 pixel. Line height is 48 pixel. Text align is left, and the color is FF eBay 7, and we will give it transition all 200 millisecond linear. So these icons are now appearing here. You can now see these icons are now appearing here, right here. And also we will be targeting this button class, guys. So basically the button that you see right here, the submit button, now we will target this. So basically the border radius needs to be changed to 4 pixel. Height 4 pixel, 44 pixel. Font size is, if you see, let me copy paste it. Logo. So now you can see this is a button here. You can change the color accordingly. So basically we have removed the border of this button. We have given the text color to be this blue color. And this is the main important thing, which is box shadow. So this property is very much important. We have given to every element. So when this here active focus, these are pseudo classes. Display properties, inline flex, font size, font weight, all these properties up to you, how you need to align this. So after this, when we hover this button, so basically when we move our mouse to this button, what will happen? So we need to change this background color like this. Now we need to style the logo, guys, which is very much simple. So this is the logo that you see, guys, at the very top. Position absolute, top 30, right 30, display block, Z index 100, transition effect. We also need to style the image. Height is 26, width is auto, display block. So now this is completed, guys, which is this login and sign up form. This is a flip button. There is a flip button available right here at the very top. So the users which are coming to the website will not find it difficult to sign up and log in because they don't need to refresh the page. So this is a very good advantage of using this design inside your websites. And basically the main developers are asking that whether it will increase the code size. No, it will not. Not many transitions or animations are working. It's just a very simple design, which is for login and sign up process for your website. And I see it's a very good material design. You can see the border radius, the box shadow effect, and how it is beautiful looking. So you can see the color combination which is used, how the icons are used. So it is very pretty looking, and you should definitely use this design. So if you have liked this video, please hit the like button. And if you're watching it for the very first time, then please subscribe the channel as well. Augusta is saying hi. So I see many people are not subscribed it. So let me ask a poll, guys. Would you like to see Facebook or YouTube or Instagram clone design? Yes or no? So just participate in that and let me tell if you want to see these clones, which is for Facebook, YouTube, Instagram clone design, just participate inside this, because I see the watching is not coming for these videos, which is CSS3 Bootstrap Flipkart design. But when I made those Facebook clone or Instagram clone, in those videos the watching was very much, and YouTube was also suggesting my live streams. But in this, why the watching is not coming? Please hit the like button, guys. Please participate inside this poll. Would you like to see Facebook, YouTube, Instagram clone design? I will definitely make it. Please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. If you have any sort of ideas through which you want to convey. You can ask in the comment section which designs you want to see. If I live code, which CSS designs, which clone you want to see, Facebook, Instagram, Amazon, which clone, LinkedIn. There are many social networks, Reddit, Pinterest, Tumblr, all these social networks. If you want to see their clones, participate in this. There is no vote is very much there. Let me see why it is no. Why not you people want to see the clone of Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter? I would like to just see from you guys because only 2 likes, guys, 6 people watching. Why not you guys are subscribing to the channel and also hitting the like button? It is a very surprising thing that you guys doesn't like it. 6 people are watching and only 2 likes are there. Why? This is a great disservice that you guys are doing. So please hit that like button, which is like this. So hit that like button, guys, and only 2 likes are there. And participate inside the poll. Would you like to see Facebook clone, Instagram clone designs in the future? Because YouTube has recommended that stream very hardly. So I could not prevent myself from making those videos again and again because I need to get those views. I need to get those suggested videos views that YouTube recommended my stream. Let me show you the statistics of those videos. Whenever I go um, went live, just in the title I written build a YouTube clone design. In that whole video, I didn't uh, I just coded live the YouTube clone design, the YouTube channel layout, the Instagram profile page, the Twitter profile page. So basically, YouTube uh, just suggested my videos inside the suggested videos, and the impressions for I think it was 68,000. Let me show you. If you For that, guys, if you want to see my earnings, traffic, all those impressions things, please hit that like button. If you see that uh, there is only two there are 2 likes button, guys, please hit this like button. Also subscribe the channel by hitting the red subscribe button. A nice animation will be shown. Your channel, your name will be printed out on my channel if you subscribe it. Just do that. Subscribe, hit that red subscribe button, and hit the like button as well, and you will see what I will talking about. Hit this like button. It's your wish if you want to hit or not, so I can't just tell you. So this is the last time I'm speaking. After that I will not say that like. So after this, guys, let me show you the proof here that my video got suggested. So basically when I made those 3 videos such as YouTube clone, Twitter clone, Instagram clone, YouTube suddenly I don't know how, but they suggested my videos in the suggested section, and through that it got a massive views. Basically, let me show you. This is the videos that I'm talking about. Over 1,000, 1,000, 1,000 straight. In my entirety of the channel, I didn't get over 1,000 views in the last 24 hours. But for these 3 videos, I got it. And if I show you the analytics, you will try to understand why it was. For no reason, you can now see the watching was massive. 25 people watching, 21 people watching. You can see that when I was coding this, 21 people watching, 20. You can see how it increased this watching. 10, 12, 14, 15, 19, 17, 21, 24, 23, 26, 27. Can you just tell me the reason why YouTube did that? I didn't know because I just know that if you upload videos on YouTube, then YouTube will suggest you more watch time is equal to more views. But for this purpose, I didn't know. Suddenly, it built it. You can see inside. If I suggested videos, all these views, if I click the reach tab, almost you can see 34,000 impressions. 91% from YouTube recommended my content. This is huge because this is, you can see, 74% coming from suggested videos, and then browse feature. So nothing from notification, nothing from YouTube search. All this suggested videos are those videos which comes at the right hand side corner of your video page, like this. The video that you are watching, in the right hand side corner of the screen, the suggested videos comes. So when YouTube starts to recommend your videos, then you are obviously know that your videos have something inside them. So that's why I was very surprised or very happy as well at the same time that YouTube started to recommend my videos. So if you're watching it for the very first time, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel. We have built using this awesome little CSS3 flip card effect login and registration form. This is, you can use it on your own website. It is totally dependent upon you. And the next video, guys, I want to tell you, this was the first video. uh, I think this was, yeah, Facebook user profile. Again, you can see the live watching is 28 20, almost 46,000 impressions. This time the browse features dominated 70% and suggested videos were 24%. Watch time, you can see that almost 30 hours of worth of watch time. That's huge from just one live stream. And then there's this third one which I did on just on the trot on the same day, August 26, 27, 27. This is for 5 hours, and you can now see again 61,000 impressions. Scene Meadows is saying, I think it will be useful if you put in the timeline where you finished the project and started question answer session. Scene, Scene, just I just wanted to tell you, in the poll as well, you can participate it. Would you want to see Facebook, YouTube, Instagram clone design? I think those keywords, those things are very much popular. They are more searchable than these specific things, that is Flipkart responsive 3D Flipkart form. Because in this, from the past 5 6 videos, the live watching is good, but not that good. From those 3 videos that I got, almost it was around about after it was good watching, around 10 12 viewers were almost there. But now for the past 5 6 videos, it is the watching is still down. It is around about 7 8 people, and the views are also not coming from the suggested videos. You can now see, if I show you the stats again, it is coming through. You can see suggested videos 29%, browse feature 63%. I don't understand how this system works. When will YouTube suggest videos automatically? After one thing, they don't suggest it. So really it becomes difficult for an individual to just. Gary is saying, so I don't know if I will be using the services for very long. Contacted some friends that probably would be great at building me a server if I stay on the Chromebook or not. Gary, first of all, thanks for your question. Where are you from and how you joined it? If you're joining it from suggested videos, or if you have joined it, if you're my subscriber, first of all, hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and which services you are talking about. And I think Chromebook. I didn't use Chromebook, bro. I can't tell you much more about it. I didn't use Chromebook, so I can't tell you much more about it. So, can you tell me more information about you? Are you also a developer? Do you like CSS front end or back end? Hello, Gary Vaughan. I think you are from UK because the cast is Vaughan. So Michael Vaughan is also a great player for United Kingdom. So I think you are from UK. So I don't know your questions. Right now, Denver, Colorado, homeless for 10 years. Oh, okay. Very nice place you are living. Denver is a very good place to live. So I really didn't get your question. Chromebook, if you're asking about Chromebook, then I don't know about Chromebook, bro. I didn't use Chromebook. Hit the like button as well, guys. Subscribe the channel as well. So you can ask any questions, guys. I think I will answer it. Just participate inside the chat if you're watching it. Don't just watch it. Also ask some questions if you are interested. I will definitely try to respond to those questions. So guys, please hit that like button. Only 5 likes are there. The target is 20 likes. If you're joining it for the very first time, प्लीज़ हिट द लाइक बटन. आप लाइक के बटन को दबाइए जो भी जुड़ रहा है. आप ये देखेंगे ना, बटन को देखेंगे. आप हिंदी में बोल रहा हूँ मैं. आप इस बटन को देखेंगे, इसको प्रेस करिए और सब्सक्राइब के बटन को भी प्रेस करिए. अगर इफ़ यू प्रेस दैट सब्सक्राइब बटन गाइज, योर फोटो विल कम ऑन माय चैनल, और रादर योर नेम विल कम. आपका नेम लिखा हुआ आएगा मेरे चैनल के ऊपर. तो अगर आप सब्सक्राइब के बटन को प्रेस करोगे और लाइक के बटन को भी प्रेस करोगे, तो प्लीज़ हिट दैट लाइक बटन, सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एज वेल. 49 व्यूज़ हो चुके हैं. विकेट वेबसाइट से आप देखिए कितना अच्छा ट्रैफिक आ रहा है. Really nice to see that those people coming, guys. You can see that from each and every country this traffic is coming. The nice thing about this traffic, it is not stopping. It is so nice to see this live watching for both the website and the traffic. So from both the countries, India, Pakistan, Portugal, United States, Brazil, Canada, Italy, Mexico, United Arab Emirates. So if I show you the today's date, you can see the traffic. Hit the like button as well, guys. Like के button को press करिए. If you're joining it for the very first time, there is this like button which is there. Subscribe the channel as well. You will get your name on the screen. This is a subscriber goal. Please increase the subscribers to 50 subscribers. This is the like target. Like target is 20 likes. Like this. Subscribe the channel as well. Subscribe. Subscribe.